My name is Justine and I'm a senior manufacturing specialist at Biogen Solothurn. Before coming to Biogen, I graduated with a master's degree in chemical engineering and biotechnology. I joined Biogen in 2021 as a downstream process engineer, and since then I've had several hats. So I've helped commission and qualify new production lines. I've also designed new equipment and new automation pieces to extend our capabilities here on site. And more recently, I transferred to operations support, and I've taken a new role in manufacturing technical operations. In my new role, I am supporting the startup of new production campaigns as we have more and more coming every year. I'm also dealing with day-to-day production issues, and I'm the first point of contact for the floor. In my eyes, the most rewarding part of working in PO&T is seeing the day-to-day impact of your work. In the end, everything that we do translates into product leaving our site, and I found that really rewarding. I find that taking calculated risk and planning for mitigating those risks is the most exciting part of our job. Since I joined Biogen, I was lucky to be able to work on different topics. So I think at Biogen we have opportunities to grow just by the nature of what we do. At Biogen Solothurn we have a very special place. All the processes are very combined all together, so it would involve from the very first start of material planning down to how to execute a manufacturing process. So there are really many ways to learn and understand and grow in different directions. If I were to give an advice, I would say be curious and don't be afraid to take that extra step. Don't do it for anyone else but yourself. Eventually you will get something back, as you will have learned something new, which enables you to do something new again. So by growing in different directions, you will get perspective.